Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Lakeview local and long-distance movers near me. Are you ready to find and hire the best cheap Lakeview moving company for your needs? 3Movers is the team you want for your local or long-distance move. We know how to get you there faster and easier. Our team works with all kinds of people, from homeowners to business owners to renters to veterans to students. We provide the best long-distance moving services with the following options. Packing services. Let us do the packing for you and even unpack your things when they arrive at your new home or business location. Moving supplies. You don't have to worry about your things being properly protected when you use our moving supplies. An on-time move. A team of movers will show up at the scheduled time ready to make your move happen faster and easier. Upfront pricing. Getting a moving quote from us gives you the transparent pricing you need. Licensed and insured. Your belongings are fully protected when you choose to move with us. The right moving team for your relocation makes all the difference. We provide you with the best long-distance movers for your specific needs. When you're ready to move 100 miles away or further, we can take some of the stress out of your relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lakeview moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.